Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by for another video. So today I am going to be reviewing Miss Fong's Love and Peace mini diaper bag. So this is a diaper bag right here. It's a mini one. She does have a bigger size in this style. I actually already used this bag once already and am loving it so much. I just love the material and the quality seems so nice for the price that it's worth. So I'm excited to give you guys a full review and show you guys how everything that it comes with and all of the pockets and all of that. And I wanted to thank Miss Fong so much for gifting this to me. I am so excited to try this bag out, and especially being pregnant with my third little one. I am a mom of 3-year-old twin boys, and I am expecting my third baby coming up in November. So honestly, this bag is perfect for me right now. My boys are potty trained already, and I honestly don't go out that much these days because of the whole COVID situation. When we do go out, it's for short amounts of times, and they honestly don't need a lot of stuff now that they're potty trained for the most part. So I'm going to go ahead and dive right into all of the features that it has. And then at the end, I'm going to be filling it up with the things I usually do take out when we go out. So you guys can see how spacious it actually is. And this is the back up close. And I just love the color and the material. It's a faux leather and it just looks so luxurious and so pretty. So to start off, this one has a pocket in the front, and I put in my phone in there, or you can put your wallet, any essentials that you just want to quickly grab. You can just place in there, and it's pretty spacious, honestly, so definitely has room for a couple of things in there. And then it has these 2 side pockets on each side, and they're pretty spacious actually. My whole hand pretty much fits in here. Last time I put some chapstick in here and some masks and all of that good stuff. So they have 2 of these. And I love these little straps, you guys. Super easy to open and close. And then it has these 2 straps in the back, and you can take these off. Take this off if you don't want to use it as a backpack, like so. You can put them in this little pocket. It actually has a pocket right here behind it, and right there. You can actually put something. You can actually store things in here also, so that's pretty neat. And it also comes with these little belts right here that you can use as well if you don't want to carry it as a backpack. So it has these 2 hooks on each side, and I can just hook it up right here. Okay, so this is how it is if you want to use it as a actual purse, and just put it over your shoulder, and it actually fits pretty comfortably right here. And obviously if it's not super packed, it's probably gonna work for you. I haven't tried it like that because I like carrying my diaper bags as a backpack. I'm glad I have an option to carry it like that, just in case I want to just carry it a different way. And you can also use this as hanging it up on your stroller. So this, you can hang it on your stroller if you want to just quickly grab something. And I love that it's so versatile and you have so many options. If you don't want to use this, you can easily store these in the back pocket as well. So I'm going to just store these away since I am planning to use it as a backpack more. So I'm going to store it over here in the back little pocket that it has. So I'm going to put these in the back pocket right here and clip these back right on. All right, and I did want to mention it also has these side pockets for any drinks or sippy cups if you have little ones as well. And they are pretty spacious, you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how my 2 boys' water bottles fit in each one. And their water bottles are pretty wide, but this is pretty spacious. And I'm glad I have options to, store away their water bottles because it's always good to have some water on hand. And the inside, this is how spacious it is, you guys. I'm going do a different view so you guys can clearly see what I'm talking about. So this is the zipper that it comes with, and just open it up and you can have, it has these buttons on the top. You can either close them to keep things more secure, or you can have them open if you're trying to fit as much as you can in here and just pack as much as you can. And I love that it has the option to keep things a little more snug or loose, however you prefer. And this is how it looks inside. So as you can see, it has tons of little pockets and storage for different items you want to store. It has this big pocket right here on this side, and it has two pockets on each side with zippers. This one is a little smaller than the other, and then it has these two Velcro pockets on each side as well, just like that. The other thing it has, I love that it has two insulated bottle pockets on each side. So when our baby comes, I will have options to store his things as well. So right there. So honestly, you can store a ton of things in here. And then it has this huge pocket in the middle. And I'll just give you guys a different view of the back pocket. This is the back pocket right over here. Right here, and this is pretty deep in here. You can close it right up, make things more secure. And that is it, you guys. Super, super convenient and functional. So now I'm going to be showing you guys how I fill it up with everything that I put in my diaper bag as of right now. I'm gonna start off putting my essentials in this front pocket. I do have a small wallet, so I'm gonna see if it fits in this front pocket. And it sure does. And I am probably gonna be placing my phone in here as well. My phone is actually filming this right now, so I can't put it in here right now. So when we go out, usually we don't do any long trips these days, but sometimes we have been going hiking, or if we need to grab something quickly to the store, just have my masks ready. And I'm gonna place them in this little pocket right here. And a snack for me is a must these days. Being pregnant, I always want to have something to munch on, and I'm gonna place that right there as well in this other side pocket. And it fits perfectly right there also. And I also wanted to add in a couple of little makeup essentials, mascara, liquid lipstick, some lip gloss, chapstick, and some eyeliner. So I'm gonna place that right there where the snack is also, since I still have some space in there. So that is like my mommy little pouch right there. I do like to carry some hand sanitizer, so I am gonna put some hand sanitizer in there as well. I like to carry some some insect repellent, just in case we decide to go out on a hike or walking or being outdoors. So I'm gonna put that in there also. Put it in the same pocket. And I do like to carry some snacks for my boys. Like I mentioned, I have 3-year-old twin boys, and I usually don't carry much, but having snacks around is definitely a must when going out, because sometimes they get hungry or are a little cranky, and snacks sometimes can get them in a good mood. I usually take 2 snacks for each one. So I got some Go-Go Squeeze. They do like the protein bars also, so 1 for each kid as well. All right. And last but not least, I'm going to be putting in their water bottles right here. And we're gonna see if they fit in each side. Just like that. And right over here also. There we go. Fits perfectly. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the inside of how everything looks with everything inside. I still have a ton of pockets I didn't use. I didn't use this one in the back. And I still have room for, obviously, a water bottle for myself, or when the baby comes, This bottle right there. And I didn't use the other side also. And I didn't use this little pocket with the Velcro. And I stored the hand sanitizer and insect repellent right there. And their snacks are in this little pouch. So yeah, everything fit in here perfectly. Like I mentioned, I don't need to carry a ton of things for my boys right now, but once baby gets here, I'm sure I will definitely be using all of the space that it has. And there is my wallet. So this is how the bag looks like when it's a little full with all of my essentials and must-haves as of right now before baby gets here. Super excited to be using this bag. I think it's super functional and super stylish as well. This is only $36 on Amazon, and I will have all of the links down below in the description box if any of you guys aren't interested in purchasing one for yourselves. I am considering of getting myself the bigger Love and Peace Miss Fong bag as well, because just in case once baby gets here, I'm not sure if I will need something a little bit bigger. Even then, we're not planning to go out anytime soon. So this bag will be perfect for short trips and just anything like that. Even if you're not a mom, this would be the cutest little, cute bag accessory and to carry around. They also have this one in a black. I was debating which one to get, but this one was super cute, and I just love the little details it has with the gold accents and all of that. So that is going to be it for the Miss Fong Love and Peace mini diaper bag review. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this informative, and make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you made it this far, and also subscribe if you are new here. And I did want to thank Miss Fong again for sending this product to me. I'm super excited to get more use out of it and just be stylish. One thing that a lot of diaper bags lack is style and comfort, and this one is definitely super stylish, and like I mentioned, super affordable. One of the more reasonably priced diaper bags that I have seen out there. So definitely check it out. And with all of that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.